Okay, so I was gonna do this as a regular review. I bought this box of chocolates, Dunkin box of chocolates at my local CVS, and the packaging was so hilariously loud. I'm like, you know what? Let's just make this an ASMR video. So, this is what they are. They're little chocolate with truffles inside a crinkly plastic bag. There are 3 different flavors. I'm going to shake them in this bag right now so I can cut them open and you can see what they look like inside. They're all individually wrapped in these foil papers, and the foil papers make as much noise as the plastic wrap that they were wrapped in. This first one is going to be a Boston cream, so it's chocolatey, and we're going to cut it open right now. Here we go, cutting it open, and inside you can see the creamy part. So you have the cream and the chocolate. Gonna taste it. Really tasty, really good. Our next one is going to be the brownie batter. So this is a brownie batter flavor. So it's also a milk chocolate. We're gonna set it on its little crinkly foil wrap, and we're gonna cut it. And inside, it has a dark, like a brownie batter. So we're gonna taste that one. Also very delicious if you like milk chocolate. This last one's gonna be strawberry frosted. So we're gonna open it, and it's not milk chocolate. This one is like a white chocolate covered candy. We're going to cut into it right now to see the middle, which I'm assuming